Alright everybody, so if you watched the prior vlog, not yesterday's vlog, but a few vlogs back when we first got the building, I did like a walkthrough, but it had a bunch of other people's stuff in there. It was empty in a lot of the rooms, and there was just not much going on. I want to do like a Keto Savage Compound 2.0, in which we show you kind of what we've got going on now with all of our stuff in there. It's not done yet, the gym's not done yet, but that'll be kind of like a progression. We'll do like a 3.0. But I kind of want to document us fixing this place up for myself, just to be able to look back on, and then for you if you're interested. So, without further ado, welcome to Keto Savage Compound. So, in the first room, this room, we don't really know what we got going on. We got my first competition pictures, some trophies. We got a bunch of whiteboards, my bookshelf with all my business books and nutrition books and whatnot. And my sword. Gotta get that sword in there. Here we have a wine rack that I made from a cypress neem. But I don't drink wine, and they don't make olive oil bottles small enough to fit in there. So I don't know what I'm going to use this for now. But here's where the magic happens. Most people talk about their bedroom when they say that I talk about my office. So this is pretty much where I spend most of my time. The computer, the desks, the whiteboard behind you. This is pretty much, oh, check this out, by the way. Oh yeah, Keto Savage Compound headquarter office right here. So that's what we have going on here. Crystal has, actually before we get to Crystal's office, here is my podcasting booth. I'm going to put these tiles up across the entire room, obviously. But currently I do not have it completed. I've got these foam boards and then the tiles, so you can kind of see what that looks like. So this is not quite finished, but it helps tremendously with the audio. Then we have Crystal's office right here, and she's got some hardware herself.
Ooh, let's zoom in on those babies.
When your camera crew is Crystal. So yeah, this is Crystal's office. Now she's got her own space. She'd have to be like in a corner somewhere, so Jack comes in here.
Jack's bed.
Sits in the carpet mostly.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this carpet.
Yep. And then from
Jack.
here, if you remember, we have a meditation room. We definitely do not live in this property, so this is not a bedroom. This is simply where we go and meditate. We have some clothes here. These are our meditation clothes. Yeah, so not a bedroom, just a meditation room. I want to really stress that point. And we have our kitchen, which is kind of a work in progress as well. We're going to get a different table. I don't like mixing black and brown. Crystal thinks it's okay. I hate it. I'm trying to go with the whole black industrial strength.
I get that it doesn't really match, but...
It doesn't match at all.
But it's what we have right now, so...
This right here is matching. This is our little kitchen island. You saw that on the vlog before.
Love that.
So I do like that. And now, oh, we got to showcase the bathroom. So here's the Keto Savage Compound bathroom.
Ooh,
looks a little bit more.
Little shelf.
Oh yeah, super cute. And this is gonna be a gym. This is kind of like, again, not fully developed at all, but at least it's got all of our stuff instead of somebody else's stuff. So deep freeze there. That's where we're gonna put all the deer that I killed this year. This is all of our stuff that we moved from Washington, and just stuff that we don't have a spot for yet. So all this will obviously be more organized. And there's a bathroom in here as well, which is kind of nice because when this is a gym, we'll have our own gym bathroom. And then that pile over there is all just trash, so that will get thrown out. Just to kind of give you an idea of what to expect from the gym, we're going to kind of do it in stages. So basically where the roll-up door is, I'm going to draw a line here. We're going to do this part first. I'm going to go by the store today and buy a bunch of rubber mats. All this is going to be in black rubber mats. I'm going to put metal siding all over the walls, and so this is going to be like blacked out, which is going to be really cool when we start doing YouTube videos of like exercise tutorials and just training footage. It's all going to have like a similar theme, color scheme. It's going to look really good and professional, and I'm super excited about that. And this is pretty much this warehouse. Now, you've seen the kitchen in most of the other vlogs, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the kitchen as well. One of the huge perks of having that meditation room is that we never have to go very far from where we work to where we meditate. That's one of our workers, Dylan. He just slacking, walking around outside, getting some sunshine. I ain't never seen him work in my life.
We gotta get that vitamin D.
Yeah, I gotta get the vitamin D. Well, thank you, sir.
What's up, Dylan?
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, Dylan, actually go back out here in the daylight when we get better lighting. Dylan just started working this week. Yeah. One of the requirements of working here is you gotta be cool on camera. So say something cool on camera.
Something cool on camera.
All right, he's hired. So again, y'all have seen most of this. We got our ingredients here, and then we have all of our packaging supplies here. So yeah, packaging supplies, ingredients. We have another bathroom there, washer and dryer, sink, and then new addition of the commercial dishwasher. So excited about that. This all kind of looks crazy right now because we're doing a whole bunch of reconstruction. Whiteboard, calendar.
None of that is ours.
Yeah, none of this is ours.
We hate it all. We hate it all.
Megan, you've been on the vlog before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody knows
Zoom
Megan.
in on her face.
And then if you come in here, we have our clean room, our production room. Normally I have a hairnet on right now, but I'm not cooking. So we got all of our batched ingredients. And again, this is like a war zone right now.
Yeah.
Batched ingredients, we're melting the cacao butter over there, mixing this in the mixer. Kyle's working on the mixer. We got the elf depositing here. We deposit into the trays, and then we heat seal the trays. Actually, before I do that, we come over here to our walk-in freezer, and you can see all of the freezing and all the finished bricks. And that's what we have going on. And this is Kyle's first day. Again, Kyle, one of the requirements for working here is you got to be cool on camera. So say something cool on camera.
Something cool on camera.
Man,
Too easy. Too easy.
That's pretty much it, y'all. So come over here into the light. Again, y'all have seen a lot of this already, but I kind of wanted to do this in stages. We did like a 1.0, and it was just everybody else's stuff in here. We had like no rhyme or reason. This is like a 2.0, so we've got a lot of our stuff in here. And we'll do like a 3.0 when the gym's done, when everything's up and running just like we want it, and we can kind of see the progression from nothing to something. So thanks for following the journey. I'm super excited about it. Thank you for everything.